My name is Aaron. Today we are giving a quick overview of the Norstar T7316E. First of all, let's talk compatibility. The T7316E works with all Norstar and Business Communication Manager systems, as well as the TCM ports on an Avaya IP office. The T7316E is a great phone for everyday users. It brings a wide variety of functions and is very easy to use. I'm going to show you some of the functions this phone has to offer. Let's start with the button layout of this phone. We have 3 soft keys, the future key, the release, and the hold key. Here we have the number pad along with volume control, mute key, speaker key, and headset key. It offers 24 programmable keys that are easy to program and offers a wide variety of options based off the user's needs. The T7316 also comes with a full tilt display along with a 2x16 character LCD. Included with this phone is the handset cord, base, line cord, and a new literature pack. Now that we have seen the basic function on this phone, I would like to show you our process that each and every one of our phones go through to ensure full functionality and complete customer satisfaction. It is our goal to provide the best looking new phones on the market, and that is what we do. Every phone goes through our complete testing process. Once the phone is passed testing, it goes through our refurbishing process. This includes removal of any discolored keys, plastics, scuffs, scratches, dirt, etc. Each phone is cleaned to perfection and is fully inspected by our quality control team to ensure we deliver the best looking products we can deliver to our customers. On top of all this, we offer a 1-year warranty on all of our desktop phones to give our customers 100% confidence in us and our products. If you have any questions, you can check us out at www.atlasphones.com. Thank you for watching, and until next time.